Put a finger down selfish edition. If you put over 5 fingers down, then you're extremely selfish. Put a finger down if you eat people's food without asking. Put a finger down if you've ever taken credit for someone else's work or idea. Put a finger down if you've ever taken the biggest slice of pizza even though you didn't buy it. Put a finger down if you've ever let your pet take the blame for something. Put a finger down if you've ever left trash in the movie theater instead of cleaning up. Put a finger down if you have liked the video and subscribed. Put a finger down if you've ever taken a really long shower knowing others needed the bathroom. Put a finger down if you've ever used someone else's Netflix account and messed up their continue watching list. Put a finger down if you've ever sent a risky text and then turned off your phone to avoid responding immediately. Comment how many fingers you put down.